Your toddler suddenly refuses lunch. Why? You've prepared a nutritious lunch. Your toddler takes one bite and says no. Sound familiar? Many parents feel confused when their baby or toddler suddenly refuses meals they used to love. But here's what most parents don't realize: it's usually not about the food itself. It's about when snacks are happening. Small feeding mistakes during the day can actually rewire how your little one's appetite works. The good news? This is completely fixable. Let's talk about the snack timing mistake that's probably affecting your child right now. Between 8 and 18 months, toddlers are developing real independence around food. They're learning what hunger actually feels like. But when snacks happen too close to mealtime, something shifts inside their little body. Your toddler doesn't actually feel hungry when lunch arrives. Their stomach is still processing the crackers from an hour ago. So they push the plate away. It's not that the food is wrong. It's that their body isn't sending hunger signals. This is completely normal. But it's also completely changeable. Understanding this helps you see that your child isn't being difficult. They're just not hungry yet. Here's the mistake I see most often. A parent gives their toddler a snack mid-morning. Maybe some crackers or fruit. Then lunch rolls around 2 hours later, and the child isn't interested. The parent thinks, well, my baby isn't hungry for real meals. So they offer more snacks instead. And suddenly, your toddler is grazing all day. Never really hungry. Never really satisfied. Here's what's actually happening: constant small amounts of food keep the stomach partially full. Your baby's natural hunger signals never get strong enough to say, "I really want lunch now." It's like dimming the lights instead of turning them off. The appetite signal gets quieter and quieter. Once you understand this, the fix becomes clear. When your toddler grazes throughout the day, something important changes in their body. Constant snacking keeps blood sugar steady but never lets appetite truly build. Think of it like this: hunger is actually a signal. It's your baby's body saying, "I need fuel now." But if food is always available, that signal gets weak. Your toddler's appetite regulation system doesn't develop properly. They miss learning what true hunger feels like. Real, strong hunger. The kind that makes a meal satisfying. Grazing patterns also make picky eating worse. When a child never feels genuinely hungry, even favorite foods seem uninteresting. But here's the encouraging part: this pattern is completely reversible. Your baby's appetite can be reset. And it happens faster than you might think. Pediatricians recommend a simple 2-hour spacing between snacks and meals. Why does this work? Because 2 hours gives your toddler's stomach time to empty. It gives hunger signals time to build naturally. Your baby's appetite actually strengthens. At mealtime, they arrive genuinely hungry. Not starving, but ready to eat. This 2-hour window isn't random. It's based on how toddlers' digestive systems actually work. A small snack at 10 in the morning means lunch can happen at noon or 12:30. Your child will sit down feeling real hunger. That changes everything. They're more likely to try new foods. More likely to eat the healthy meal you prepared. And the whole experience becomes less stressful for you. You're not negotiating or bribing. You're just serving lunch when your baby is ready. If your toddler has been grazing for months, resetting their appetite takes patience. Start by establishing a snack schedule. Morning snack. Afternoon snack. Nothing in between. Give it a full week or two. Your baby's hunger signals will start coming back online. They might seem hungrier than usual at first. That's actually good. That's their appetite system waking up. Then introduce structured meals around those hunger moments. Breakfast, mid-morning snack, lunch, afternoon snack, dinner. Your toddler will start arriving at meals actually hungry. Suddenly that vegetable they refused? They might try it. That's not magic. That's appetite regulation working. Real parent example, Sarah's 18-month-old refused vegetables for months. 1 week of proper spacing, and her daughter asked for carrots. The pattern reset completely. You're not failing your toddler by setting snack boundaries. You're actually supporting their natural appetite development. This shift might feel small, but it changes mealtime stress completely. Your baby can rediscover real hunger. And you can feel confident again. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and follow World of Baby. See you in the next one.